This is a quick walk around on 4-inch risers on a Honda Rebel 500 2019. I currently have the risers backwards due to cable management and had to have the clutch lever angled forward so the cables weren't pulling since they're not long enough, and same thing on the brake lever, and had to angle the whole handlebar forward. That's what it looks like from the front. From the back. This is face level. They work great. The only thing I've noticed is I had to tighten down this bolt right here on both sides to make sure it's tight, since it does have some wiggle room. It's hard to see, but these moved quite a bit before I tightened them down, and still do if you put enough force on them with both hands, especially while riding. Well, that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.